Everything in the garden was belonged to Adam. And Eve was his wife, and Eve had access to them. So whatever is your husband's is yours.
Wait, pause it right there, so I'm gonna ask you a question.
And your husband.
Somebody living in your house not paying no bills, right? Them just dead there, and you give them money and them something. Isn't that your child?
Yeah,
So as a child, shouldn't they respect your rules? They should submit. Come home anytime you tell them to come home.
Bomboclat.
Do anything you tell them to do in the house.
Bomboclat.
Don't it go both ways? There's two sides to that coin, isn't it?
Because them say as woman, if they go 50-50, you're not her man, you're a roommate. So you're saying if he pays all the bills, then she gotta submit. So you know she's what? His child.
Because if him pay all the bills, you're not his woman, you're his child. So if you're his child, ma'am, if you're his child, the man say need a nice plate of food. The man say need him in bed spread. Wash up the dish them. Because I know when me I did pitney I live under my parents' roof. If them said take the chicken out of the freezer by the time I come home. And that never happened. Okay. Logic.
Yes. So what I don't know, Share One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Also, beside me, we have the one and only, the insightful Chantel Simone.
I'm a day. Pick up yourself, Negus Nation. Pick up on yourself.
It's Imara Nation.
Imara Nation.
Yes. It's okay. It's all right, booby. No problem. You understand what I say? Everybody, I don't know. It's been a few days now. I know you've seen her on the channel a few days now. All right. So, what are we gonna do right now, Chantel?
The same thing we do every day, Pinky.
Try to take over the world. Trouble. Anyway, she said to go dive right tonight, right now. You understand what I say? Let's go.
Bro, watch this. But watch all of it.
I'm still a woman, and you're still gonna take care of me. I'm not paying on no dates. I'm not paying no bills in no motherfucking house. I'm a woman. And I'm equal. We don't fight for what's our God-given right. Stupid women fight for equal rights. Smart women know that they're equal.
First of all, I'm not gonna say she's ugly, but she's funny looking. She's funny looking on the side to where she look evil. I'm not trying to say she ugly. I'm just saying she looks evil. I don't like her eyes. Her eye them look, and you say it's not even probably evil. She probably went through some stuff, you know. That's that. You know what I mean? That's what she probably went through some stuff because she don't look happy at all.
Yeah,
that's number one. But what do you think about the equal thing? She say, what? Man, I understand that.
Obviously, not make no sense because she says she a woman and then we equal. So if you're a woman and you're just on top of the world and God created you as woman, then man and me and you equal, then you're not as important as me then. Sometimes,
I would think so, right?
Because I swear to you, them just say words. Any word will come to them and them say it.
I'm still trying to. You don't pay no bill, but we equal.
So if we equal, you not for pay bills then. Man not for pay bills if woman and man equal. So we were gonna live under the bridge.
Listen, I'm just so happy that you're my friend, and that's your mindset. Most of the men on this channel can tell you, your mindset is not the popular mindset. It's very rare to find a woman where understand a man perspective or look at things from men perspective.
But you see, the thing is, it's not even men's perspective; it's common sense perspective. Cause if me and you equal, that
we gotta do the same thing.
Exactly. So not like some I tell, oh man, make sure you wash, cook, clean, and swallow every night. That's not what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But I say like, let's just think about it. Based on what you're saying, we equal. Then if you're not paying no bills, if not paying no bills, then can we equal?
Yeah, she didn't think that one through at all. But anyway, let's go continue because this is hilarious.
They don't want to learn nothing. They just want pussy. They don't want to learn nothing. They know what they're doing is pissing you off. They know what to do to change it, and they're not gonna do it as long as you still give them access. Access is the most powerful word in a relationship. The fact that he still sees you and expect a man to be Santa Claus. Men are Santa Claus. Where in the Bible did it say women should pay bills? Where in the Bible did it say women should pay bills? 50-50 and all that shit. Where?
Pause this real quick because 50-50 them, hey, it's some of them women, they don't want a 50-50, you know, but everything else you're supposed to go 50-50 with. You're supposed to meet me 50-50 emotionally. You know, understand? Matter of fact, anything physically, that's 100% of your burden. But any other thing else, you're supposed to meet me 50-50, but not economics.
No.
Anything else, conversation-wise, you're supposed to be here, you're supposed to be a listening ear.
Yeah.
50-50. But when it comes to money, no, I'm a woman. I'm a woman. That's all you gotta say. You're a woman, so you deserve these things. No, you got to work for these things. You have to work. Let's look on her on a big woman level, Chantel, and tell me I'm tripping. Don't she look like is either she evil or she been through some stuff?
She wearing her personality on her face, and her personality is I want to say she been through some stuff.
She look like she been through.
She
some
look like
stuff.
because even Osha said like where in the Bible. These are talking points that these kind of women just repeat. No matter where them come from, where them live, where them born, they repeat these things.
It's like parents, so they must say, kids should obey their mother and father, but then I read the parts that parents are supposed to drive them children to rat or something like that.
Yeah.
So basically, she talk about where in the Bible it says a woman's supposed to go 50-50, but it said in the Bible that you should be submissive, but she don't look like the type of woman that would Yeah, I know. I tell her about her mother when I said submissive a while ago. A big disrespect that. Submissive. I tell her about mother. She want to fight me after this.
But pre the logic pan it, right? Because she starts off saying men and women we're equal, and then she said nowhere in the Bible it says woman for work, which is incorrect, by the way, because the verse them love for quote is the Proverb 31 verse, and she worked, right? She wake up in the morning before anybody in her also wake up and she work, right? But again, must caught up on the if we equal, ma'am, then
we're supposed to do the same thing.
Oh, we equal, but like 50-50.
And first of all, I'm not taking no woman serious that still put H on words that don't have H. Access. First of all, you shouldn't even be speaking this way. You should go learn the English language before you even talk this way. The confidence is through the roof.
Let me tell you now.
And you're still putting H on words that are not access. And you say it with such confidence. Who is going to take you serious? And look at you at your big age with coasting in your nose. Who's going to take that serious? Not me. But you got them dudes that will take her serious though. Yeah. That's the sad part about it. That's the sad part about it. But anyway, let's hear this ramblings of a madman. Continue.
Nowhere in the Bible you see Adam and Eve paying bills. All that bitch do, walk around the garden naked. Pick fruits. Oops, this is my husband's fruits.
Gone to sex already.
Pet the animals. Oh, this is my husband's animals. Ooh, fuck the snake. This is my husband's snake. I can fuck him too. Duh.
Wow.
So everything in the garden belonged to her husband. It wasn't free. Everything in that garden belonged to Adam, and Eve had access to it. It wasn't free. God gave it to Adam. It was his. Nowhere Eve had to pay for nothing.
Okay. So that's another woman where here she say Adam. So basically
you mean Adam.
Adam
yes.
and Eve. First of all, anybody who talk like that, I'm gonna take it serious. I'm not care how much money you have, I'm not care what kind of if you speak like this, you are a loser. Ma'am, let me just say this real quick. I'm not even gonna be funny here. She genuinely come off as somebody that's troubled. I don't know what exactly she's been through, but you can tell she's been through something based on how she's talking. So, right where I pause this video, she's talking about Adam's possessions, right? And how Eve can just use it because, hey, I am woman, so his resources is now her resources. a lot of these women think that way because they're still in their childlike mindset. When I was a child, I used to hide my candy and eat out my friend named Candy, and they would do the same thing. They would hide theirs and eat out other friends' candy, and then go back there and them feed them candy. That's how a lot of these women operate today. Them take them man money, have feed them money, tuck away, and then go spend for them money by themselves. No, let me say this. You have women that spend, every girl let me talk to spend for me because I talk to women who actually like me. You understand me? I say that I'm number one. If a girl not spend the money for your brother, she not rate it, bro. Leave her right this instant. Woman take money serious. I don't know what with money, you know. But them take it serious more than man. And we have to do some really hard work. But when they take the money serious, I don't understand. But any girl when I spend for your bad, bro, she don't rate you. That's a number one. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. If she not like take you out, she try plan dates
Yeah,
and treat
yeah,
you. Yeah.
You understand me? I say if she not, bro, come on. She don't even want to buy dessert or even tip.
Yeah, I was about to say cover the tip. Yeah, she know, especially if I like on a date for like couple weeks now and she never yet want no. Yeah,
no rating none of that fear. But this lady right here, it's sad because the delusion. She's deluded, and she's speaking with such conviction, and she's serious. Look on her.
But you know the worst part is not say she speak it at the amount of people who are back her up and I say yes, because one thing when one person thinks but when so many people support the argument,
then it's a problem. Anyways, continue with the ramblings of a mad woman.
Everything in the garden was fucking belonged to Adam. And he was his wife and he had access to them. So whatever is your husband's is yours.
Wait, pause it right there, so I'm gonna ask you a question.
And your husband.
Somebody living in your house not paying no bills, right? Them just dead there and you give them money and them someday. Isn't that your child?
Yeah,
So as a child, shouldn't they respect your rules? They should submit. Come home anytime you tell them to come home.
Bomboclat.
Do anything you tell them to do in your house.
Bomboclat.
Don't it go both ways? There's two sides to that coin, isn't it?
Because them say as woman, if they go 50-50, you're not her man, you're a roommate. So you're saying if he pays all the bills, then she got to submit. So she's what? His child.
Because if him pay all the bills, you're not his woman, you're his child. So if you're his child, ma'am, if you're his child, the man say need a nice plate of food. The man say need him in bed spread. Wash up the dish them. Because I know when me I did pitney I live under my parents' roof. If them said take the chicken out of the freezer by the time I come home. And that never happened. Okay. Logic.
And this is not no disrespect. This is just logics. Common sense. Who wants to live with a burden? Because that's what these women are. Imagine you go out and you get paid thousands of dollars each month to not contribute to your household. How selfish can you be? This is why men die before women, I'm not trying to die before my wife. We try to die together. If not, let's live over the life expectancy together. Even if I die before you, I want to live past 64. I want to live to see 70. I want to live to see 80. But I can't because all the burden is on me. And when I die, you just go jump on Mars, dead. If your waistline still at work. Because some waistline not work on touch all 40, so I don't do. I don't know. And that's time anyway, I go finish a little video. I got a little piece left.
Should have a whole garden and everything in it before he even ready for it. You know how long Adam was here before God gave him a wife? What's yours is mine and what's mine is mine.
Yo, it's too much shit to be said about that. And my head hurt. I'm not doing this. I had to watch that bullshit, so I made y'all watch it. I'm not talking about this shit. Hell no.
Yo, all right, so, yeah. No. If we're married, my resources are your resources, but I'm not going to be the only one with resources in the house. I refuse to pick up a woman that contributes nothing. I can back my fist. I don't need sex from her. I need somebody who is going to be there in every way to sustain a household with me and the children and yourself in it.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go on.
If you feel sex is the ultimate payment, you're gonna stumble on a rude awakening. Like, it's not. I got the adjustable grip right here. I'm just being funny, but really and truly, as a grown man, sex doesn't do it anymore. I'll tell you that right now. It's fun, but sex can't pay my bills. It can't.
Especially these older women, because she's talking about all she gotta do is walk around in the garden naked.
Ain't nobody want to see that.
I mean, no disrespect to her, man, but come on. Nobody wants to see that.
Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. And I hate, they always go to the Bible, but they never follow what the Bible said. You know what I said? For woman, if I was a woman, I would never be religious. I want to keep quoting the Bible. The Bible is the most oppressive tool towards women. There's nothing in it that benefits Uno. But you keep complaining and talking about what men should do. You see what God said you should do as a woman in the Bible? You're basically a slave in the Bible. Why don't you go listen to those scriptures too?
No, man, them not read them scripture there. Them just up over.
Yeah. Like, if you keep quoting the Bible, I'm going to quote the verses that say you're a slave to me.
His property.
You're my property. That's crazy, but they don't see them one day at all. Man, I don't know.
The page them blank right there, sir.
This video just goes to show that the mindset is not only in America. That's the big thing, because this lady is a Jamaican.
Yeah.
So it goes to show the mindset all over the world.
The sister code is all over. It's not just in America. Like, every woman think like that, and then woman from everywhere will back up her thinking. Yeah.
That's the sad part about it. They will. And they will try to cancel you if you have anything otherwise to say. But cancel no matter. Yo, what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Yo, my name is Negusimara. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on both channels. Chantel Simone is going to be in the title and the description as well. So make sure to go over our page, support her, tell us your Negus, send on. You understand what I say? Chantel, do you want to see anything before we boogie?
Big up on yourself. Great conversation. As always, calling out, highlighting these behaviors, these toxic femininity.
Yes.
Behaviors.
Yes, because nobody speaks about toxic femininity at all. Crazy. But yeah, man, Chantel Simone, it's a pleasure, darling.
Thank you.
You understand? Up move! Why are they still here? Go home, the man.
Go on a yard.